Good morning, Coastal Bend. Yesterday, our high was 77 degrees. Average high this time of year, 85 degrees. 77 marks the first time since April 26th that we were below 80 degrees. So this is some of the coldest air we have seen since April. It's also the 6th longest streak we went with temperatures at or above 80 degrees. So pretty impressive air mass here. Temperatures for our high today may stay in the 60s. The last time we did that was March 12th. That's the last time our temperatures were below 70 degrees. So again, this is some cool air for us here in South Texas. Right now we are sitting at 60. We're tracking some rain in the area, some scattered showers. Wind is the talker this morning. Wind is out of the north at 17 miles per hour. Those gusts still around 28. We saw a peak gust this morning through Corpus Christi and the Naval Air Station around 37 miles per hour. Relative humidity, look at that, down to 44%. We have some very dry air in place. That's allowing our temperatures to fall. We're 15 degrees cooler than the same time yesterday in Corpus Christi. Those winds still pretty strong, as I mentioned, through the Naval Air Station. We're at 37 miles per hour for our gust, 30 miles per hour through Port Aransas. Winds are strongest right along the coast. We are dealing with a 24 mile per hour gust through Alice as well. The wind will begin to calm down just a bit as we head into the afternoon. We're talking 10 mile per hour wind speed sustained, but a few gusts could still be 20-25 even this evening, though through the morning I'm still thinking 35 mile per hour gusts. Here's what I'm talking about. Around lunchtime, especially through Rockport, Port Aransas, and the Naval Air Station along our coastline, yeah, we're still dealing with those 30 mile per hour wind gusts. Heading into the evening, 20 mile per hour gust, and then as we get into Wednesday morning, still seeing some strong gusts along the coast, but then Wednesday is when things start to calm down even more, and then Thursday, we see our southerly winds return. So yes, you can expect temperatures to start to heat back up. We are dealing with a mid-level kind of jet that's bringing moisture still into South Texas. So we've got some rain, some thunderstorms that have been weakening as they move through Webb County, but that is moving into the coastal bend. We've got some widespread rain across Bee, Live Oak, San Patricio County now. Rain is picking up through Corpus Christi. That will continue to be the trend through the morning, but we've got some drier air coming in behind this moisture. So eventually we're really going to start to dry out, not only like we are at the surface, but in our mid and upper levels of the atmosphere as well. And that's going to take place as this high pressure and this low pressure strengthen, continuing to bring in that cooler and drier continental air. As you can see here, this is how cold that air is. We have seen some snow through Wisconsin, into Indiana, portions of Ohio, even into Kentucky, seeing a little bit of snow this morning. So that's just how cold that air is. It's not quite that cold once it makes it into Texas, but because of this low pressure, we're still getting some of that moisture in the showers. But that's going to weaken. We're going to see this low pressure weaken under the influence of that fall-like weather. However, it's not going to last for long. High pressure develops to our south, and that's going to allow zonal flow to return in between an area of high pressure and low pressure heading into this weekend. I expect windy conditions to pick back up once again, and this time it will be warmer air coming in out of the south and southwest. So get ready for it. Enjoy your taste of fall while it's here. We're back around 80 on Thursday. Temperatures, high temperatures back in the mid to upper 80s by Saturday and Sunday. Lows will be in the 70s. And a lot of that has to do with not only the return of our southerly winds, but also increasing moisture. So we really see humidity levels going back up Saturday and Sunday, but dry air is here today, tomorrow, Thursday. Still fairly comfortable on Friday. It may be so dry that you notice your skin a little bit drier. You may want some extra lotion, extra chapstick as you're headed out the door the next few days. Overnight, we're really dropping temperatures. We're talking 40s and 50s, even along the coastline, likely falling into the 50s there in Port Aransas. So it is going to be much cooler. We're clearing our skies out. And then remember, radiational cooling happens typically behind our cold fronts, after our cold fronts, as we develop clear skies, calmer winds, and low humidity. Any heat that was at the surface is just going to escape straight to space and we're going to cool off pretty quickly. So that's why we're talking sweater weather with 50s Wednesday, 40s possible Thursday. Still trying to hold on to the 50s early Friday morning, but we won't have it once our humidity increases and our temperatures go back up there Saturday and Sunday. As far as the rain goes today, still tracking a few of those showers as we head into the lunch hour. That activity tapering off through the afternoon. We'll start to see breaks in the cloud coverage around dinner time. Then there's those clear skies. Look at that. As we head into Wednesday morning, oh, you're gonna be able to see the stars. You're gonna feel that fall brisk in the air. It's going to be nice. Winds will be out of the north about 8 miles per hour. Some gusts along the coast still around 20 miles per hour, however. The 7-day forecast, sunshine is back with us Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Southerly winds return Thursday into Friday, so temperatures really begin to heat up as we head into the weekend. Our next best chance of rain after today looks to come next Monday.